Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F96 error code on your GE oven and wondering how to get your kitchen back in action, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to fix this common issue, which often pops up in 2025 models due to problems with the control board or sensor communication. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple, safe, and straightforward so you can tackle this without needing a toolbox full of fancy gadgets. First things first, safety is key. Before you do anything, make sure to unplug your oven from the wall socket to avoid any electrical mishaps. Give it a few minutes to fully power down. This simple reset can sometimes clear the error code right away. Once that's done, plug it back in and see if the F96 code has vanished. If it hasn't, let's move on to the next steps. Now, grab a flashlight and inspect the connections. The F96 error is often caused by loose wires or faulty sensors. Open the oven door and carefully check the back panel or control area for any visible issues, like disconnected plugs or buildup of dust and grime. Gently clean any dirty areas with a soft cloth. Remember, no water or harsh chemicals near electrical parts. If everything looks secure, you might need to delve a bit deeper. Try running a diagnostic test if your model has that feature. Consult your oven's manual for instructions, as this can help pinpoint the exact problem. If the error persists, it could indicate a more serious issue, like a malfunctioning control board. At this point, you may need to replace the part, which is something you can order online or from a GE service center. But hey, if you're not comfortable with that, it's totally okay to call in a professional technician. They're trained to handle these things quickly and safely. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that F96 error and get your oven baking again. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Remember, always prioritize safety, and happy fixing.